Hey there, welcome back to Ham's Tech Fixer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Blogger import error that happens when you try to import a backup zip file. If you've recently backed up your Blogger content using Google Takeout and tried importing it into a new blog, you've probably seen the error saying, "Backup file is invalid. Please check the file content and try again." Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix that in just a few easy steps. Let me quickly explain what's going on. Blogger gives us two options: import content and backup content. In the past, when we backed up our blog, it gave us a .xml file that could be easily imported. But now, due to a recent Google update, the backup is downloaded as a zip file instead of the old .xml. This change is what causes the import issue. When you try to import this zip file into a new Blogger site, it doesn't work and shows that backup file is invalid error. To download this new zip backup, you need to go through Google Takeout. After opening the Google Takeout page, you have to scroll down and select Blogger as the service you want to back up. Once selected, you continue to the next step and click the Create Export button. It may take a few minutes to process. Once it's ready, the page refreshes and the download link appears. In some cases, when you try to download the zip file, Google might ask you to verify your account by entering your password. After logging in, the backup zip will start downloading. Alright, now I'm going to create a new Blogger site and import the zip file to see what happens. Let's check if the content imports correctly or if we run into any errors. I'm going to import the zip file that I backed up from my previous Blogger site into this newly created Blogger site. I'll take you through the entire process step by step so you can clearly see how it works. Once I select the file and begin the import, we'll watch closely to see if the content uploads successfully or if any errors appear. This way, you'll understand exactly what to expect when you try it yourself. And I'll also explain how to fix any issues that might come up during the import.
Long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid.
Once the zip file is downloaded, extract it to any folder. Inside the extracted folder, you'll find another folder called Blogger, then Blogs, and inside that you'll see a folder with your blog's name. Inside that folder, you'll find a file named feed.atom. This file contains all your blog posts and content. This is the file we need to work with to fix the import issue. Now here's the key part. Open the folder where the feed.atom file is located. What I did next was copy that file and paste it into the same folder, so I had a duplicate. Then I renamed that copied file from feed.atom to feed.xml. Just by changing the extension from .atom to .xml, the Blogger import feature recognizes the file as valid. After renaming the file, I opened my new Blogger site where I wanted to import the content. I went to Settings and clicked on the Import Content option. Then I selected the feed.xml file we just renamed. This time, there was no error, and all my blog posts were imported successfully from the backup zip.
Not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
I will show you how to import the theme that was backed up inside this zip file. I'll guide you through the steps so you can easily restore your Blogger theme without any hassle. That's it. I hope this method helped you solve the Blogger import problem after the recent update. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Your support really motivates me to create more useful tech solutions like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.